Hey, this will be a relatively simple video today. This is going to be a sort of tutorial, with the caveat being I have no idea what I'm doing. Today we're just going to do a simple thing. We're going to replace lights on my 1996 Suzuki Wagon R. I don't know how many other people in the USA own a Suzuki Wagon R, but I imagine it's more than just me. Probably count on me both my hands, at least. But yeah, today the lights we will be replacing will be the passenger side daytime run. I don't know what you call it, day running light. I really miss back when I could really just bang on this, and the light would come back on. But I think those days are behind me. So join me, and I will show you how to get all this done.
We're not gonna be fixing this light today. I don't know what it means. I think that means my hot dog is ready.
Hey, quick editor's note, this is only for the JDM Suzuki Wagon R, so this will probably not apply to the Indian or the European variants that were sold outside Japan. Just like to get that out of the way real quick. Anyway, enough fluff. On to the real tutorial. Step 1 is to remove the front grille, which is just held in by 2 screws. You can use like a Phillips head or a slide screwdriver or what have you. Then you have to also kind of pull on this little plastic clip and the grill should pop right out. Then you have to remove 2 10mm nuts with an open face wrench. Or in my case, just one, as the first bolt I need to remove was hand loose, and 2, my car was in a little fender bender a few years ago, and I guess a piece of the headlight must have been damaged in the crash, so the second bolt that would normally be holding it in the wheel well is just kind of dangling there. These are a pain to remove, especially if you have larger aftermarket wheels like mine, so it's a miracle I didn't have to remove it. You just pop the daytime running bulb out of its socket. Should be easy to remove by hand. Just grab and twist. I'll quickly show a diagram on screen of the headlight. I believe the main light bulb is in H7, but don't quote me on that. And the turn signal bulb is, I don't know. The owner's manual wouldn't tell me anything. It's all in Japanese, and even when translated, it didn't provide proper information.
There's stuff in the manual will tell you what to do if you get stuck on fucking train tracks, but nothing on changing a light bulb. No!
Smarter people in the comments will let me know. Now, since I didn't know what kind of bulb I needed, I just put the old bulb in my pocket and made a little field trip to AutoZone. The bulb is a number 167, by the way. A 2-pack should cost about 10 bucks. Simply pop in your bulb while avoiding getting too much of your dirty finger grease on it, and you should be good to go. Repeat the previous steps in reverse, and you are done. This is my first time making a proper tutorial in any way, so I'm sorry if it was really hard to follow, but I just feel like it'd be nice to have some information on how to take care of a K car like this in America. Anyway, I have been Detah. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.